Here we go then. I'm going to get very wet now. Oh boy. I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm walking on the wall to avoid the water. Oh! Pouring down above me. Here we go. Ah! 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 Oh. Is it possible to get through here on foot? You get through on foot?
You might be able to. Let's wait for this way.
You can get out that way. Yeah, you can get to the corner, but the river don't reach the B&Q.
Yeah.
But you should be able to get to the corner. Oh dear. A wet day. Well, yeah. I can't believe I'm actually going to have to wade in this. Oh. I've got to go in that now if I want to carry on my journey. Are you going in then? After you. Oh, is it cold? Right, it's my turn now. Oh, I can't believe I'm going to. I don't think I'll be going to work tomorrow at this rate.